Hello students. In the last video, we have seen the specific verbs which are used in Wechsel prepositionen. For example, stellen, stehen, legen, liegen, hängen, hängen, setzen, sitzen. I hope that you have understood the difference between them. Legen, stellen, hängen and setzen take always accusative case, whereas liegen, stehen, hängen and sitzen take dative case. And I have also explained you the difference between legen and stellen. When we are keeping any vertical thing, then it is always stellen or stehen. And if the horizontal thing is kept, it is always legen or liegen. So, on the basis of these verbs, we are going to solve one exercise. On Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 92, Aufgabe 10. We are going to solve the exercise based on these verbs. First one I will explain you and the remaining ones we can solve in our live class. Aufgabe 10. Welches Verb passt? Nicht ist normal by Family Müller. Nothing is normal in case of Family Müller. Normalerweise dash man the builder an die Wand. Now see here, normally the pictures are hanging on the one, hangs the pictures on the wall. So here hanged will come. Aber bei Familie Müller dash sie auf dem Tisch. That means in case of Family Müller, the pictures are lying on the table. Now see here, lying is said, on the table is dative, so here liegen will be there because they have kept the pictures on that table. Okay, so similarly you have to read the sentences, you have to recognize which verb will be appropriate in this place, and the answers we'll discuss in our live class. Now, Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 93, Aufgabe 11. Wo bekommt man das? Where one can get this? Here, this exercise we are going to solve with the help of dative. All are the Wechsel prepositions. Bekommen will take dative and it shows the position, that's why dative. For example, Gemüse. And always remember, purposely they have given the preposition in the bracket, but for your information I am telling, markt, bank, post always take auf. So Gemüse bekommt man auf dem Markt. Okay. So you have to use the dative after that preposition. Now Geld. One can say that one gets money in the bank or one changes money in the bank will be much better. Geld wechselt man auf der Bank. Bank is the bank, so it will change into there in case of dative. Now see. Brot, Bäckerei. Brot is bread and Bäckerei is the Bäckerei. So Brot bekommt man in der Bäckerei. So that every article should be here in dative after preposition because we are representing the preposition. I hope this is clear. The remaining sentences we can solve in our live class. So, Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 93. Aufgabe 12. A und B. Wohin fährst du gern in den Ferien? An, auf oder in? In this exercise, you have to write the answer of this question with the help of an, auf and in. All these three prepositions are Wechsel prepositions, so they will take accusative case as we are showing the direction. Fahren is asked. In A question, you have to use the accusative case, but in the B question, wo warst du in den Ferien? Where were you in the vacation? Here it shows the position, so it will be in dative. So we will see which nouns will take preposition an or preposition in and or preposition auf. So one by one we will see. So first one is they. Ich fahre gern an die See. Always remember for See you have to write an die See. Insel is island. Ich fahre gern auf eine Insel. For Insel always auf must be used. Now Ausland. Ausland is a foreign country. Ich fahre gern ins Ausland. Das Ausland, so in plus das will be combined and it will be ins Ausland. Dorf. Dorf means village. So der Dorf, das Dorf. So it will also take in. Ich fahre gern ins Dorf in den Ferien. After Dorf, land will be there. Land is also das Land. So it will take in only. Ich fahre gern in das Land oder ins Land in den Ferien. After land, Großstadt. Großstadt is a big city. Großstadt will also take in. Ich fahre gern in die Großstadt. Accusative. Süden, Norden are the direction. For that also in is used. Ich fahre gern in den Süden, in den Norden. Same is applicable for Berge. Berge means mountain. It will also take in. Ich fahre gern in die Berge. Similar for Schweiz, in die Schweiz. Iran has an article there. So you have to convert that there into accusative. So ich fahre gern in den Iran. Ich fahre gern in die Türkei. Ich fahre gern in die Vereinigten Staaten. Vereinigten Staaten is United States. It is plural but D will remain as it is. Meer is ocean. Meer will take an and das Meer. So it will be Ich fahre gern ans Meer. And for Strand means beach also it will take an. Ich fahre gern an den Strand. I hope this point is clear. But when you want to use the same thing in dative, how it will be, we will see. In den Ferien war ich an der See. You have to use dative. The dative is there. Same is for Insel also. Ich war gern auf einer Insel. Now Ausland, das is their article, dative will be them. So in plus them it will be im. Ich war im Ausland. Ich war im Dorf because Dorf and Land also that. So ich war im Dorf. Ich war im Land. Großstadt is the Großstadt, so it will be there. Ich war in der Großstadt. Now for Süden and Norden masculinities, so it will be converted into dative with them. Ich war in dem Süden oder im Süden, im Norden. Now the Berge is plural. So dative plural, if you remember, it is den plus n. So here it will be Ich war in den Bergen. It should be in den Bergen. Then die Schweiz is feminine, so it will be Ich war in der Schweiz. Der Iran, it is masculine, it will be converted into dative. So Ich war im Iran. Türkei is feminine, that's why Ich war in der Türkei. Vereinigten Staaten is once again the plural one, so it will take dative plural. Ich war in den Vereinigten Staaten. Meer is thus ans Meer, so it will be Ich war am Meer. Am Meer oder an dem Meer, both will go. And an den Strand, it is Strand is their Strand, so dative will be them. So ich war am Strand oder an dem Strand. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's do exercise number 13 and 14. Aufgabe 13 und Aufgabe 14 on Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 93. Wo? Bilder Fragen und Antworten sein, stehen, stecken, hängen und liegen. You have to use the correct verb. That is the most important thing. And wo is the question, that means the answer should be in dative. For example, wo steht der Kühlschrank? Now Kühlschrank is the vertical. That's why steht is used. You can give answer anything. In der Küche, in der Ecke. Fine. But the answer should be in dative and the correct vexel preposition must be used. Now for example, photo. Photo must be hanging maybe. So wo hanged this photo, and the answer can be under wand or mostly on the wall only. Then auto. Auto naturally car must be standing. So wo stayed this auto in their garage for them house. So like this you have to frame the question and the answer in dative. So this question answer round we will do in our live class and practice it. Now in the 13th one, wo is asked, whereas in 14th one, wohin is asked. You need to ask the question with wohin. And for wohin, always stellen, stecken, hängen, and legen come. Stecken is to insert. Okay, so stecken is insert something. So key maybe. Wohin steckst du then Schlüssel, like this it is. So just keep this in mind that stecken is insert something, and it is same in both wo and wohin. And whenever you are answering the question wohin, the answer should be in accusative as well as correct vexel preposition must be used. For example, wohin stellst du dein Fahrrad? Verb is subject is also needed here. So do is required. Wohin stellst du dein Fahrrad? Hinter das Haus. Das Haus it is accusative. Now das Handy. So where have you kept the handy? You can ask. So wohin legst du das Handy? In the Tasche you can write, or auf den Tisch you can write. Whatever you write, it must be in accusative. Or baby maybe. So maybe if you are putting the baby on the bed. So wohin legst du das Baby? Auf das Bett. It can be asked like this. So in the 13th one, the question should be asked with wo. In the 14th one, question should be asked with wohin. And in the 13th one, answer should be in dative. And in the 14th one, answer should be in accusative. So we will do this question answer round in our live class. Okay. Now we will solve Aufgabe 15 on Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 94. Exercise number 15. Ergänze die richtige Präposition. Here you have to fill up the Wechsel preposition. So read the sentences carefully. Choose the correct preposition. See whether action is shown or position is shown. Accordingly, use the correct article and case. If action is going on, you have to use accusative. If position is shown, you have to use dative. First two I will show, and then the rest of the sentences you can do on your own, and we can discuss in our live class. Am Sonntag gehen wir alle normalerweise zusammen blank Kino. On Sunday we normally go together dash cinema hall. So in will come, but here gehen is used, that means action is going on. So it must be accusative. Thus accusative remains as it is. So in the skino, that means in skino. Is it clear? Now B. Dash der Terrasse gibt es viele schöne Blumentöpfe. Blumentöpfe is flower pots or flowers, plants. So for terrace, always auf is used, and here article is already given there. So here you are supposed to write only preposition. Terrace is the horizontal one, so auf is used. So just keep in mind where article is already given, you have to write only preposition. If article is not given, you need to write article and preposition both the thing. So solve this exercise. Answers we will discuss in our live class. Now the next exercise, Aufgabe 16. Welche Präposition passt? Which preposition is correct? Schreibe auch den richtigen Artikel. Here articles are not given. You have to write the article also. Ordne den Bilder die Sätze to. Also arrange the pictures along with the sentences. So you have to see the direction in the picture, and accordingly you have to choose the preposition. For example, the cat is sitting, a sentence. You can see the for cat the picture 7 is matching, and the cat is sitting dash table. So cat is sitting under the table. So you will use the preposition unter, and she is sitting, that means it shows the position, so dative should be used. So unter them will come. Is it clear? You have to decide the preposition according to the picture and case also. For example, B1. Martin hang their calendar. You can see that 8 picture is that. Martin is hanging the calendar on the wall. So here wall is vertical, that's why an will come. And D1, it is he is hanging, that means action is going on, so it must be accusative. So it will be an the one. I hope this is clear. Now you solve these sentences. We will discuss the answers of the same in our live class. Thank you.